Have you ever wondered how we can create a short link for easier sharing? To successfully create a short link, the very first step you need to take is to navigate to the official short URL website. Once you have arrived at the home page, simply locate the input field and enter your long destination link right here. After you have done that, the website will process your request and automatically give you a brand new customized short link that is ready to use. The second method is to search for short link in this section, and the first website that comes up is the one you need. Now, there are also some other websites that you can use, and all you need to do is enter your link in this section so that it gives you a short link. If you truly want your personal link to never disappear from the internet, you can easily create a brand new account and then log into your secure account, so that your specific link will remain saved there permanently for as long as you need it.